Welcome to our coffee shop. Here's the menu.
Thank you. I'm very thirsty today.
Would you like something to drink while you decide?
Yes, please. I'd like a hot coffee.
How do you take your coffee?
With 2 sugars and some milk, please.
I'm sorry, we're out of milk today.
No milk? That's unusual.
The delivery is late.
I'll have black coffee then.
Actually, the coffee machine is broken too.
Oh no, no coffee and no milk?
I'm really sorry.
Do you have tea?
Yes, we have green tea and black tea.
I'll have green tea, but can I have it iced?
I'm afraid the ice machine is broken too.
This is not my lucky day.
We have water and fresh oranges.
I'll just have an orange, please.
Coming right up. Thank you for understanding.
Good morning. How was your weekend?
Honestly, it was terrible.
Oh no, what happened?
My house was broken into on Saturday.
That's awful. Were you home?
No, I was at the movies.
Did they steal anything?
Yes, my TV and laptop.
That's so unlucky.
They didn't take my clothes, though.
Maybe they didn't like your style.
Maybe. I feel really sad.
Did you call the police?
Yes, but they only wrote a report.
I'm glad you're safe.
Thanks for listening.
Let's get some coffee. My treat. Your home is so nice, Mark.
Thank you. I try to keep it clean.
It's very quiet. Do you live alone?
I don't have a family, but I'm not alone.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, but not a dog or cat.
Is it a bird?
No, guess again.
A fish?
No, my pet walks around the house.
I give up.
I have a big green iguana.
An iguana? Is it safe?
Yes, he's very gentle and lazy.
What does he eat?
Only vegetables and fruit.
That's funny. What's his name?
Rex.
That's a strong name for a lizard.
Want to meet him?
Okay, but I'm a little scared. Your home is so nice, Mark.
Thank you. I try to keep it clean.
It's very quiet. Do you live alone?
I don't have a family, but I'm not alone.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, but not a dog or cat.
Is it a bird?
No, guess again.
A fish?
No, my pet walks around the house.
I give up.
I have a big green iguana.
An iguana? Is it safe?
Yes, he's very gentle and lazy.
What does he eat?
Only vegetables and fruit.
That's funny. What's his name?
Rex.
That's a strong name for a lizard.
Want to meet him?
Okay, but I'm a little scared. Good afternoon. I'd like to return this shirt.
Is there a problem with it?
No, it's just too small for me.
Would you like a bigger size?
No, I don't want this style anymore.
Did you buy it yourself?
No, it was a gift.
Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
I can give you store credit.
What does that mean?
You get a coupon for $20 to use in the store.
That's fine. I need a new belt anyway.
Here's your coupon.
Thank you.
My stomach is growling.
Mine too. Time for lunch.
What do you want to eat?
I like many things.
There's a Thai place nearby.
Is it spicy?
Very spicy.
I can't eat spicy food.
Okay, how about a salad bar?
That sounds good.
Let's go. I'm starving.
Me too. Let's hurry.
I'm bored.
Me too. Let's do something fun.
How about a movie?
No, I saw too many movies last week.
Tennis?
It's too hot outside.
Shopping mall?
I can't buy anything today.
Let's just go for dinner.
That sounds good.
There's a new Italian place.
Is it expensive?
A little, but I'll pay.
Really? Thank you.
After dinner, let's go bowling.
Perfect plan. Good morning. I need a new washing machine.
You're in the right place. Do you have a brand in mind?
No, just something simple and not too expensive.
Do you want a big or small machine?
Small is fine. I live alone.
We have an automatic one with smartwash.
What does that do?
It chooses the water level for you.
That sounds easy.
It's our most popular model.
I'll take it. Can you deliver tomorrow?
Yes, we can.
Here's my card.
Thank you.
Are you ready for the party?
Yes, but I forgot something.
What?
We don't have a gift for the host.
We can't go empty-handed.
Should we buy flowers?
The shop is closed.
How about ice?
Ice?
Parties always need more ice.
That's actually smart.
Let's buy a bag at the gas station.
You saved the day.
Let's go before we're late.